Take one.
Start.
This is JC back with you, the Limit is Unlimited Child Obesity Campaign. Got another young brother here with us, all the way from Canada. He's a 2-star ambassador. He wants to let you guys know what that means. Go ahead and let him know, Casey.
All right, hey everybody, how you doing? So just so you know, this product is for everybody. It's not just for people that need to lose weight, but it does very much help those people. It's also great for kids that, you know, maybe have a learning disability or something like that. It helps you focus. It gives your body the nutrition you need so that you can learn better, so your brain will function better. And I've heard lots of stories of a lot of problem kids in school that are now doing, you know, really well and helping the other kids get straight A's. And just very, you know, heartwarming stories that I've heard. It's also great for sports. This product was not designed for weight loss, but it does work. It was designed for lean muscle building. So the products work great for professional sports, for, you know, sports. We're now about to go into the performance area of our products and focus more on that. So, you know, if you're in a college, you're in a sports team, get on our products. They're going to help you to perform better, help your muscles recover faster. And if you want to earn some extra income, I'm making a lot of money right now, and I just got started this year. So it's by helping a lot of people, be healthy and live a better lifestyle.
Casey, can you tell us, what does this jacket mean that you're wearing? I mean, what is...
This jacket means that I've reached the top of the company, but I've also helped other people, at least 2 other people in my group that I've worked with and helped them get to the top of the company as well. So, you know, right now I've got a couple, and then next month I'm gonna have a 3rd and a 4th and a 5th. I'm just gonna keep helping people over and over, and I'm sitting at about $30,000 a month right now in income. So this will truly change people's lives. You just gotta believe in it. Just gotta get on board.
You heard it right here, live. The Limit is Unlimited. Thank you for joining us.